Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are doing great. You must be on iOS 17 beta right now and looking to downgrade it to the iOS 16 without iTunes. You are at the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16 without iTunes. As you can see on my iPhone 14 Pro, I am running iOS 17 beta 3 and I am going to downgrade it to iOS 16 without iTunes. For this purpose, I am going to use Tenorshare Reboot. It's a complete iOS system repair and recovery tool. These are the main highlights of this tool and it is available both for Mac and Windows. You can find the link to this below in this video description. I already have downloaded and installed it on my device. Once you do it, open it and connect your device with the computer and it will recognize it. Here are the main highlights on the main page. You can use it to enter in the recovery mode and exit. And here is one quick reset option. Here are the more features it can do. It's a pretty powerful tool. The option I am going to use is iOS upgrade and downgrade. After you have connected the device, click on this option. Here are two main options, upgrade and downgrade. For this tutorial, we are downgrade iOS version, so select the second one. Now click on the downgrade and on this page, it will automatically find the latest signed version for your device you can downgrade to. In my case, for my iPhone 14 Pro, iOS 16.6 is the only version I can downgrade to. Once it shows you the available iOS version, click on the download button and it will start downloading. You can either download the iOS version using this tool or you can also manually download it from the ipsw.me website. Let me just show you. For me, I already have downloaded this on my device, so I will just select it. This is the ipsw.me website. Go here. You can get this link from this video description as well. On this website, select the device you want to downgrade. For me, it's iPhone. Then select the model of your device. On this page at the top, here is the signed version you can downgrade to. And below that are the unsigned versions. You cannot downgrade to the unsigned versions. You can only downgrade your device to the signed versions. To download the IPSW file, click on the signed version and download it from the next page. While you are downloading this IPSW file, take a complete backup of your device running on iOS 17, which you can restore back to iOS 16 later. If you do not do that, you will lose your data. So make sure you take a complete backup of your device. Once the IPSW file is downloaded, either manually or within the Reboot tool, select the file. If you are downloading the IPSW file using this Reboot tool, after the download, it will show you the next page automatically. If you have downloaded it manually, as I did, once you select the file, it will show you the next page. On this page, you need to click on the Initiate Downgrade. And it will start the process to downgrade iOS 17 to 16 without iTunes. Just click on the continue button. Now all you need to do is to wait for it to complete. Make sure you do not disconnect your device. Otherwise you have to restore your device first and then you will be able to downgrade that. When you see this screen, here you need to enter your device into the recovery mode. At the top you can see that here are the different options. For iPhone 8 and above, use this method. If you go to lower device, you can see their method from here. Let me just enter my device into the recovery mode. As it enters into the recovery mode, the process will continue. Here you can see. Now all you need to do is to wait for it to complete. It's gonna take a long time. So I am just cutting off this video here and I will show you now that my device is successfully downgraded from iOS 17 beta to iOS 16. Here you can see. My iPhone 14 Pro is now running on iOS 16.6 successfully. This is how to downgrade iOS 17 beta to iOS 16 without iTunes using Reboot. If you got any questions, leave a comment below. Now if you want to restore iOS 17 beta to iOS 16, I will put its link up in the cards and in the description below. You can watch that to restore your backup.